everyone, and welcome back to Ms. English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Chloe.
Hello, Chloe. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here again today.
It really is. How are you, Ethan?
I'm doing good, thank you. I'm awake, which is a nice start to the day.
That's always a victory.
Yes, I had my coffee, so I'm ready for everything. How about you, Chloe?
I'm great today. I had such a peaceful morning, and I'm feeling very happy.
That's wonderful. A good morning really sets the tone for the whole day.
It absolutely does. And that's actually our topic today, our daily life and routines.
Daily routines. Something everyone can relate to. We all have a day to live.
We sure do. Everyone has little things they do each day, morning, afternoon, and evening.
It sounds simple, but it's actually very interesting. Sometimes people think the word routine means something dull.
Maybe, but I think routines can be unique, fun, and different for each person.
Totally agree. And it's a great topic for English learners. We use everyday vocabulary to talk about what we do.
Exactly. But before we start chatting about our daily lives, we have one small request.
Yes, we do. If you're listening right now and you enjoy this podcast, please click the like button. Give us a big thumbs up.
Yes, please do. And if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to Ms. English Podcast. It really helps us so much.
And please share this episode with a friend who's learning English too.
Thank you so much. We truly love our listeners.
Okay, Chloe, let's get into it. Daily life. Let's begin at the very start, the morning.
Oh no, the morning.
You don't like mornings, do you, Chloe?
Not at all. I'm definitely not a morning person.
Really? I'm the opposite. I love mornings.
Wow, good for you. For me, mornings are difficult. The alarm clock,
Yes, the alarm clock.
that terrible sound. Beep, eep, eep.
My alarm is soft music. It wakes me gently.
That's smart. Mine is loud and shocking. I wake up thinking, oh no, already?
And do you actually get up right away?
No, never. I press the snooze button.
The snooze button. Yes, just 5 more minutes.
Exactly. But it's not really 5 minutes. It's 5, then 5 more, then maybe 10.
Oh, Chloe. So, when do you finally get out of bed?
When I absolutely must. When I realize I'm late, then I jump up and run.
That's funny. My morning is completely different.
Tell me about yours.
I wake up very early, before the sun rises.
Why so early?
I love the quiet. The world is still sleeping. No cars, no noise. It's just peaceful.
That does sound nice. What's the first thing you do?
The most important thing. Coffee.
Ah, yes, coffee. Same here. I basically run from my bed straight to the coffee machine.
How do you like your coffee, Chloe?
I like mine with hot milk. It's warm and smooth. You?
I like it strong and black. No sugar, no milk. Just pure coffee.
Wow, brave choice. I sip my coffee and usually scroll my phone.
Oh no, not the phone.
Yes, I check news, emails, messages, all of it.
I don't. I prefer to sit quietly by the window with my coffee. I just think and watch the light.
That's lovely. Maybe I should try that too.
You should. It's very calming. Okay, so coffee done. What about breakfast?
For me, breakfast is super quick because I'm usually late. Toast, maybe with butter or a banana. Simple.
That's fast. I love a good breakfast. I eat yogurt with fruit, or sometimes I make eggs.
Eggs? Wow, fancy. You must have time.
I do, because I wake up early.
Right, so after breakfast, time to get ready.
Yes. I take a shower, a hot one,
Me too. A hot shower helps me feel alive.
and then comes the hardest part.
What part?
Choosing clothes.
Oh, yes, I understand that completely. I stand in front of my closet, so many clothes, and think, I have nothing to wear.
Same here. So many options, but still nothing right. But my system is easy.
What's your secret?
I only own blue, white, and grey shirts. That's it.
No way!
Yep, simple life. I grab one, done. No thinking required.
Honestly, that's genius. I might steal that idea.
Please do. Thinking is for later in the day.
Okay, so you've got your blue shirt. I finally pick a dress. Then it's work time.
Yes, time to start the day. How do you go to work, Chloe?
I take the bus.
The bus. How's that?
It's okay. Crowded though. So many people, no seats sometimes.
I don't love crowds either. Wow.
But I make it better. I listen to music or a podcast.
A good podcast, I hope.
Of course. Sometimes I listen to Miss English podcast.
Excellent choice.
And you?
I drive to work.
Lucky you.
It's nice, yes, except the traffic. So many cars. Everyone going nowhere. Stop, go, stop, go.
That's frustrating.
It is. I turn up my music to survive it.
Loud music?
Very loud.
Okay, so now we're at work. Is your job busy?
Always. First thing I do, another cup of coffee.
Naturally.
I sit down, open my computer, and see hundreds of emails.
Oh yes, the emails. My inbox is like a mountain.
I read, reply, delete, repeat. Then come the meetings.
Endless talking about reports, deadlines, and plans.
Exactly that.
My day's similar. I talk to people, help solve problems, keep things moving. I like my work, but it's busy.
And then comes the best part, lunch.
Yes! Food! Do you bring your lunch or buy it?
I usually bring it from home.
Very organized.
I make a salad or sandwich in the morning.
Wow, early wake up pays off. I can barely grab toast, and you make sandwiches.
What about you?
I buy lunch. There's a cafe near my office. They have amazing sandwiches.
That sounds good.
And I like walking there. 10 minutes in fresh air. Feels nice to leave the office.
That's smart. Stretching your legs helps. But around 3 p.m., I always get sleepy.
Same here. That's the sleepy hour. My eyes start to close.
I drink more coffee than...
I switch to green tea. And I eat something light, like an apple.
Healthy choice. I prefer a cookie.
Cookies are happiness in a circle.
True. Then at last, 5 p.m., work's done.
The best sound of the day.
I get back on the bus, tired but peaceful. I usually just stare out the window.
I drive home through that same terrible traffic, stop and go again. But I'm happy because I'm going home.
Home is the best place. What's the first thing you do when you open the door?
I drop my bag, kick off my shoes, and say hello to my dog.
You have a dog?
Yes, his name's Milo. He gets so excited, jumps and wags his tail.
That's adorable. I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
Luna. Beautiful name. Does she greet you too?
Well, she looks at me, meows once, then walks away.
That's cats for you. Very independent.
Yes, she's definitely the boss of my house.
So after saying hello to Luna, what next?
I change clothes. That's essential. Out of my work shirt, into something comfy.
Same here. I love that feeling of soft clothes after a long day.
Then it's dinner time.
My favorite part of the evening. Do you cook?
Sometimes, but to be honest, I'm not a great cook.
Really?
Yes, cooking stresses me. I've burned things that shouldn't be burnable, like rice, and once, somehow, water.
How do you even burn water?
I don't know. I left it too long and it disappeared.
That's impressive.
So I stick to easy stuff. Pasta, eggs, or delivery pizza.
Pizza solves everything. I like cooking though. I chop vegetables, listen to soft music, and relax.
That sounds cozy. Which you usually make?
Simple things like soup, stir-fry, or pasta.
Delicious. You're a better cook than me.
Maybe just more patient. So, after dinner, around 7 p.m., what do you do?
I clean the kitchen first. I can't relax until it's tidy.
Impressive.
Then I sit on my big grey sofa. Luna climbs onto my lap and sleeps there.
Aw, that sounds so sweet.
And you?
I usually don't sleep yet. I watch TV, mostly comedies. I love ending my day with laughter.
That's healthy for the soul. I sometimes read a book instead.
What kind of books do you like?
Stories, mysteries, or travel journals. But I also have to walk my cat. Just kidding, cats don't walk.
True. I walk Milo, though. Every night we go for a little walk. It's quiet, peaceful, stars above, beautiful.
That sounds perfect. Luna would never do that.
No, cats prefer to stay in charge indoors. So after the walk, I start my bedtime routine.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10 p.m., I'm a morning person, remember?
Right. Early to bed, early to rise.
Exactly. I brush my teeth, put on pajamas, read a few pages, and then snap asleep.
That's amazing. You must sleep like a baby.
I try. What about you?
I stay up later, maybe 11:30 or midnight.
That's light.
I know. I usually watch just one more video or movie. Then morning comes, and I regret everything.
It's a big circle for you.
Yes, it repeats every day.
Your routine is quite funny, Ethan.
And yours is perfectly organized, Chloe.
Well, we've shared our whole day, from the alarm clock to pajamas.
Yes, it was fun hearing about your day, and about Milo and Luna too.
And it was great to hear about yours.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Time really flies.
Chloe, thank you everyone for listening to our chat.
Yes, thank you so much. We hope you enjoyed talking about in the context of space-time. Don't forget to subscribe to Muse English Podcast. Give this episode a like if you had fun.
And we have a question for you.
Oh yes, in the comments below, please tell us, are you a morning person like Chloe, or a night owl like Ethan?
We can't wait to read your answers.
Same here. Okay, see you next time, Chloe.
Bye, Ethan.
Bye everyone.
Bye for now.